The most delicious recipe in the world made with eggs. I'm sure you will love it. For this recipe we are going to cut an onion into slices. This recipe is wonderful. And it's super easy to make. I'm going to add a spoonful of butter to the skillet. Then add the onion. Give it a little refreshment. And add a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of black pepper. And sauté very well. And people are already commenting to me from which city you are watching us. I'll send you a super special hug for every one of you who is commenting. Now I'm going to be breaking 6 eggs here. In a container and adding on top of the onion. I'm going to cut some parsley. But it is optional and add. Also cut 100 grams of mozzarella cheese. In cubes like this. Add a spoonful of grated Parmesan cheese. A spoonful of sweet paprika. And we are going to mix these ingredients very well. And guys, today I'm going to send a super special hug to a person who is always commenting on our videos. A big hug to Olivia from Los Angeles. Thank you so much for always commenting. I will now cover and let it cook on low heat for about 10 minutes. And our recipe was ready, and it was super delicious. I'm sure all of you who make this recipe will love it. So if you liked it, share it, and until next time. Goodbye.